Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Parma, Ohio. We got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot. I wanted to share this with you. This is a 2013 Ford Fusion. Beautiful maroon color. Got some metal flake in the paint, black leather interior. It has backup camera, navigation, some nice features on this car. And man, do we have this thing priced low. So a little bit more about that later. So let's go ahead and do a walk around. Now we do have new tires that we put on this car and new brakes on the front. So you've got new skin on your rubber tires here, ready to go. Do a quick walk around. It does have heated mirrors also and turn signals on the mirrors outside. Go back here. It is an EcoBoost, ladies and gentlemen. What's an EcoBoost, Jim? Well, here's what it is. It has a turbocharger on it, so it's going to give you additional horsepower. But with it being a 4-cylinder engine, you're going to get good fuel economy. So the backup camera is right there. Come over here, you can see the emblem for the EcoBoost. So let me go ahead and pop the trunk. And to pop the trunk, there's a button right there. You just push that, and the hatch lifts right up. Very clean inside this trunk. I hope you can get a good view of this. And there is a lot of space in here, ladies and gentlemen. Continue to do our walk around, but it's nice to know you get in a car and you got brand new tires on it and new brakes on the front. You know, your brakes on the front usually does the majority of your braking anyway. Show you the rims. Here is your turn signals, and I want to hope you can see the emblem right here that shows your heated mirrors. Go ahead, take a look at the interior in the back. Like I said, it is black leather. And show you the headliner up here. Now I want to point this out, ladies and gentlemen. It does have some imperfections, no rips or tears, but there is some dirt on the very back portion of the headliner on this car. But other than that, from what I see, it actually, to me, I like what I see here. Black panels on your doors. And another thing, you do have power seats on both sides, and I will hop in here in a minute. Just wanted to show you your door panel here. It does have a 3 memory position for your seat, so whenever you get in here, push whichever one belongs to you and the seat will go exactly to where you have it positioned at. Okay, here we are on the inside. So as you can see, actually looks very attractive car inside. Get up here, show you the instrument cluster and the gauges. Let me see if I can block that sun out some. So there you can see you got different settings that you can put that will display up here. And it's all done controls on your steering wheel, but the mileage on this as of now is 124,064 miles. And you back away, you do have controls here on your left for your cruise control, and these settings here will actually change different items to view up on your instrument cluster. And it does have Bluetooth capability. It'll connect to your smartphone. You can control your calls and volume from here. Now we go over here to the instrument cluster. I'm actually going to click on, you see here you got navigation, phone, entertainment, climate. Click on navigation, and there is your GPS. So we can go back to your menu. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to drop it down in reverse, show you the backup camera. So there that is engaging. Now, pretty cool feature on here with your climate control. It does have heated seats. So that's really nice when it's cold out like now. Turn those off. I really don't need those on. So come over here, you see your gear shift. Now down here you do have a storage area. You can see down in this area 12-volt port for your electronics, 2 cup holders, nice wood type of a trim. It's plastic, but it does look like wood. You get down here, storage, you see you got 2 USB ports, you've got some auxiliary inputs and a lot of storage there. So this actually is I really like this car. And show you the back seat. The center armrest does fold down, and there is a lot of leg room back here. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the newest edition 2013 Ford Fusion. Black leather interior, 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine with a turbocharger on it. It's going to give you a little bit more get up and go. New tires on it, new brakes on the front, navigation, power seats, backup camera. Very nice ride. And if you look at the price we got on this, wow, is that a fantastic price. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us, come up for a test drive. We have a lot of financing options. Have a great day.